Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this morning I will be preparing plantain porridge. So here I have my bunch of plantain and I will be taking the quantity that will be enough for me to prepare my plantain porridge. Okay, so the first step is for me to cut it and remove the back. Yes, after removing the back I will now have to wash it, as you can see. Then after washing it I will now cut it into my desired size. Okay, yes, so after that I will now have to start adding my ingredients, starting with onions, as you can see in this video, followed by my paprika powder from Chef Bars. So the next one is to add my ginger onion garlic mixed, as you can see, from Chef Bars also. So the next one is to add my Maggi. I used just one, then followed by salt, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So the next one, I added my multi-purpose spice powder from Chef Bars Foods, as you can see in this video. So after adding my multi-purpose spice from Chef Bars, I now had to wash my crayfish in order to blend it with my ugiri. In this video I was trying to remove the particles that are not good in it, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is my ugiri. I had to take the quantity that will be enough for me, and I had to blend it together with my crayfish using my blender. So this is me taking the quantity that will be enough for me, so that I can now finally blend it with my crayfish using ITEL blender. I have all kinds of blender in my house, both big and small. So after blending it, I had to transfer it into my pot, into my plantain, as you can see in this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then after that I had to add red oil, my oil, inside the pot, as you can see in this video. So after that I had to also pour in some water so that I can now mix everything together and set it on fire so it can cook. So this is me adding water into the pot. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'll be using Pomo and fish as protein for this plantain. When making yours, you can use whatever protein you like to make yours. Okay, so for this video I will be making use of Pomo, Pomo and then fish. Yes, because that is how I want to enjoy it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and thanks for watching my videos. Okay, so I am trying to mix everything together. Yes, and so now I am finally done. The next one is to add in my Pomo, as you can see in this video. Is already soft, so it's a soft Pomo, so I have to turn it a little before I can now finally cover it and set it on fire. So as you can see, the plantain porridge is on fire. So the next one is to add my fresh tomatoes, and you can as well add your fresh pepper if you want. So I just added my fresh tomatoes, as you can see in this video. Yes, and I had to stir. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I added more water, just a little, then I had to turn it very well so that it can cook. So I added cayenne pepper, as you can see. This is also from Chef Bars. My plantain is almost ready, very yummy. I had to turn it very well once again. Then finally I added my fish. It doesn't need to cook for long, so that is why I am just adding it now. So after I added my fish, I had to stir, then turn it properly, then covered my pot. So these are the vegetables I'll be using. Here I have scent leaf, I have Utazi, I have ugu, a mixture of 3 different vegetables. So scent leaf, Utazi, and ugu. So I had to pluck out the good ones so that I can wash it and use it. There are some people that do cut before washing, but as a chef, it is always advisable for you to pluck out, wash it properly before you now slice it or cut it into your desired size. So always wash your vegetables before cutting. So this is the one I will be using. I had to pluck it out from and then I had to wash it. I'm trying to check to be sure all of them are good, because I prefer to always use fresh vegetables in my meals. So you have to wash it, not just with clean water only, with salt too. Wash it like 2 or 3 times before you can now finally cut it. So this is me adding my vegetables into my plantain. So yummy. So as you can see, my plantain porridge is ready, about to be enjoyed. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, plantain porridge is very healthy. Okay, prepare it, feed your children healthy meals. Plantain porridge is very healthy, very nutritious. You can even add obaka, liver, chicken, whatever protein you like, you can use it. Okay, so as you can see, thanks for watching. Bye.